Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
All right. Would you like to look at the menu again?
I already looked, but I have a few questions.
Of course.
What do you recommend today?
The grilled chicken is very popular, and the pasta is also a good choice.
Is the grilled chicken spicy?
No, it isn't, but we can make it spicy if you like.
What does it come with?
It comes with rice and seasonal vegetables.
That sounds good. Is the portion large?
Yes, it's quite filling.
Okay, I think I'll order that.
How would you like it cooked?
Well done, please.
Would you like any changes?
Yes, no onions, please.
No problem. Would you like a side dish?
Yes, a small salad, please.
What kind of dressing would you like?
Olive oil and lemon, please.
Great. Anything to drink besides water?
Yes, I would like a lemonade.
All right. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Here is your meal. Grilled chicken, salad, and lemonade.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything tastes great.
I'm glad to hear that.
Could I get some extra bread, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Would you like anything else?
No, I'm full. Can I get the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it to you.
Thank you very much.